Hello, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create something interesting by using the wavetable editor from Kilohearts inside Phaseplant. Alright, so kind of So it is obviously an atmospheric path, so we're going to learn something related to that in this tutorial. Or I don't know, frankly, what's going to happen here. So let's move and create a new. Select the wavetable, click the pencil button, and create a new file. Then we have to explain here a very first thing, which is what the waveform crossfading does actually. And this is your magic button. This is the button from where you can do everything, blend everything that you do here by using these tools or any of these tools. Practically, this is exceptional. We are going to see it later. So, for example, I'm going to create a sine wave, and I'm not going to click along this dotted line you can see here, because it will create a repetition of the same waveform all across this area. Okay, so I'm going just click down, and after this, or after that, I'm going to click here, just for example, all right? I'm going to create a sine wave, for example, or no, sorry, a square wave, all right? Something very extreme. And of course, I'm going to click done, all right? After this, if I click here, since everything is selected, all right, by default, everything is selected. If I click here, then kind of interpolation is going to occur from frame 1 to frame 130, probably 30, yeah. All right, so if I click here, that will happen, all right? So there you have it. Until the end, which is absolutely silent, all right? So you can see here, the wavetable also follows into those lines, all right? From a sine wave to a square wave and to zero, as we can see here in the latest keyframe, for to say, right? So this means that well, we have this sound. It's not moving. I like to add an LFO in order to see how this thing is going to change a long time. Right? So that's why insert time, oh, how to say it? That's why we're talking about a kind of ambient path, making kind of an ambient path, right? And not some riff, for example. But it is not the different principle is not different, so you can do whatever you want once you dominate the wavetable editor, of course. All right, so what to do here, for example, with what we have right now, a couple of waves which are quite nothing, quite empty. What we can do here, for example, I don't know, we can select, for example, you can see also here how the wave moves a long time. Let's say, I don't know, I want to apply here an effect, for example, or I don't know, I'm just brainstorming here, okay? So, I don't know, adding faces, it doesn't make anything right now because faces are already aligned. I don't know, rectify, for example, all right. How that sounds? You can see I'm going to raise the volume. And you can see there are some kind of bumps there because of the rectifying thing, alright? But well, you can do whatever thing the program, the editor, the wave editor offers to you in order to manipulate the wavetable you're making. So you can get a really lot of fun. Like I don't know. I've been adding disperse here. I don't know what actually is doing really, but sometimes you get some kind of really weird stuff, things that I will of course find a way on how to do that stuff. Okay, so for example, I want to add some kind of distortion also. Oh man, where is the I should all right, bias, I don't know how to say that. All right, I wanted this. I wanted to do something more wider, and finally I found how to do that thing. So how it would sound that? Okay, it's nice. Okay, so let's okay that, and you say now how the hell can I smooth or blend or interpolate from frame 49 to frame 56? Okay, we are going fine with numbers. So what you have to do here is click and dragging, sorry, click and dragging and selecting, as you see, these two regions and the one in the middle. And then you have to, of course, the magic button, the waveform crossfading button. And there you have it. You have handlers here, so you can adjust how much fade in and fade out you want from that process. We just did few minutes later. All right, so how this sounds now? All right, we have the smooth transition there, and what happens here? Well, same than before, sure. And why not to the extent of the very first beginning? You can, as you see, you can blend if you like it. I'm sorry again. A glass of water. So as you can see, you can blend and do stuff, and well, you know, be creative here. Well, doing whatever you think it's creative. I just follow my intuition. Like I need here, I don't like that. I don't like it. I will try to modify that that emptiness, like to say. I don't know if this is going to do it. I don't know. Probably this. This one should be, because it multiplies the frequencies and it must add some noise to that empty space. All right. So, oh wow, look that, look that thing. I think I'm going to yeah, it's too much. Let's see. All right, so it's fine. I'm going to, I don't know. I'm going to filter this area, all right? And click. I just click there, and now I can cut off some frequencies, or increase the Q, modify the slope. You can use any kind of filter you find here. notch filter, right? A blur filter. I don't know. I'm going to use the cutoff filter and just simply done, and again the magic button, waveform cross fading, pullback. There you have it, and you can of course stretch it or shrink it as you want it and you like it, in any direction you want. So it's freaking amazing. And click done. Remember what to do that and select the other part and do the same. Boiler magic, through magic with the wavetable editor. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this. You can use whatever thing. You can, of course, re-edit with whatever thing you, I don't know, drop paint, throw painting into the wavetable editor, and well, you have a new frame with whatever thing I just draw there. But after this, I don't know, I'm going to set it to the, oh, look at this. It's blending with the material that was already there. That's freaking amazing, bro. Done. But we have here an inconsistency, something that's not continuous. But magic button here, and there you have it. You are now another god that can use this super magical tool to make whatever you want and fix it in the process and listening. If you think that this part is too bright, you just go to, I don't know, well, I'm going to the cutoff, of course. Yeah, why not? I can do whatever I want here, so why not? So again, fade, sure, more sureness, yeah, sure, yeah. Done, all right, oh, okay, no problem, boom, fixed. All right, so this is just incredible. I can't believe it. It is amazing. Thank you very much, Phaseplant, Kilohearts developers, for such amazing tool for creativity and all stuff. Hope this tutorial is useful for anyone who watch it, and thank you.